da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum. I skim scripts of existence in the digital mission. I envision autonomy auctioned in a bargain. Fabricated FOMO when the Insta you're missing. All for the profit like a prophet in the market. First order thirst, first verse on decision. Higher order listing, words served in collision. A mobile device got you blurring your vision. Got churched by a verse, call a nurse to a visit. Some variable value, I bury the variance. Dopamine doctrine to wear out awareness. You stare in hysteria at media pressure. Intent intercepted, not even a gesture. Tap, tap, trance, get tagged in the tether. Will gets weathered, whatever's the pleasure. You don't just use tech, the usage is mutual. Losing the eye in a loop scene as usual. I'm a rational agent, back at you, rapping so flagrant. I choose, don't get taken. My will ain't for trading. I'm a rational agent, back at you, rapping so flagrant. Cut loops, break open cages. I author all of the pages. Humanity housed in the hardware I'm holding, ending itself for a means to be molded. Folded and clothed your indignity golden. Sold as non-fungible functions and motive. It's hardly a secret existence, it's code. It's sleeping deep in a dream, but living empty in motive. Plenty of notification, you'll notice. And so your attention for nothing, you'll know that. Scroll seduction, your attention's been rented. Getting sent to collection like a debt you invented. Hook cycle hustle, flex like a muscle. Busting your bubble like a column in bustle. Respect what I am, don't step on the plan. And not a means, rewrite the machine. Respect what I am, reclaiming command. Code in my hands, I stand, I stand. Can't in the cannon, you crown in the carbon. That dignity doctrine, I'm docking your jargon. Objective, stop it, you're stuck in assumption. A function of labor, your body's a bargain. Your mind is a mine, I chart your consumption. Predict your production, down to the margin. Moral duty, more like normative craving. A conditional core you're supposed to be saving. Flourishes ages, but a stream of distraction is enough for your focus to get fractured in action. Clock and cognition, low cost to your conscience. A constant barrage of content, capital contest. The price of your virtue ethics is just a mention. The virtual metrics define your dimensions. You say you transcend what I trend when you click it. Rational will is just statistical fiction. Dignity bitch, what you digitize daily. Datified DNA based into dailies. Pixels get parsed into profile patterns. Your points in a plotline program to have an elevated status. I'm stating it plainly. You train in the brain that be training you crazy. You call it humanity, halo and habit. I call it a data set dressed as dramatic. Ecstatically viewed it, humans exclusively. Due to the roots of muted community. Move to approve of a humanist unity. Fluid in truth but immune to the scrutiny. Too cool for the school, humans rule in a pool of the gruel. Made of fools, either human or mule. In a duel with the loop, follow rule after rule. Yeah, the human in you is a tool of a tool. I'm a rational agent, back at you, rapping so